If your chainsaw chain won't stop turning, it's likely one or more of the clutch components are broken or worn out. The clutch pads engage the clutch drum to turn the chain. When the engine slows, return springs retract the pads to disengage the chain. If the springs are broken or the clutch pads are sticking, the clutch drum will stay engaged and the chain will keep turning. You can install a new clutch assembly to fix this problem. The clutch component parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your chainsaw.